Wonderful, gentlemen. So earlier we discussed about creating a local business listing using Google My Business Listing option. Okay, now we are going to see an option where adding a missing place in Google My Business. Okay, there are two ways of doing it. Okay, you can use your mobile phone. You can also use the computer, where you can go. You can search about something. For example, digital marketing training near me, digital marketing course near me. So when I search this, obviously Google is going to give me the digital marketing course details, the local business listings here. Okay, can you see? So when I say near me, e-search advisors, digital marketing training, all the details from Chennai is coming. Okay, but because there are no people offering digital marketing course near me, that's the biggest problem. Or is my location tracked as Chennai? Yeah. See, my browser has taken my location as Chennai. It is supposed to take as my current location. I don't know why it is taking like this. Anyway, that is Google's choice. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it as digital marketing course in Theni, very nearby. Okay, Theni. That is my current location where I'm right now. Okay. Now what happens? NIIT Theni is there, Thrive Infotech, Kalvi Institute Private Limited Theni is there. So which means they are offering something. And I go click on view all option. Google is going to show me all the local business listings available. Kalvi Institute CAD Center, Theni's Driving School, Dexter Academy, Mary Mata, FITA. Okay, so FITA is basically in Madurai, not in Theni. Okay, so Quick Max Digital Marketing. So there are lots of listings available. And the bottom, if you come and see, there is an option called missing place. See, add a missing place. The same thing happens on your smartphone also. Go to your mobile phone Chrome browser, okay, and search about something on your mobile phone Chrome browser also. At the bottom of the results, you will get an option called add a missing place. Now the same process is followed. So click on add a missing place. Now Google is going to ask you, right? Okay, what you are going to add, and you're going to tell Google about the. Let me say I'm offering digital marketing course. Now you can tell Google that online digital marketing course. Okay, okay. Let me give some space. Online digital marketing course. Let me say Amudhakumar. That is my brand name. Now what happens? Because the location that I created earlier is not yet verified and published, Google is not showing anything here. Okay. If it is verified, if it is published, it is going to go show me the suggestions. Okay, in the current place. Okay. Now you can add, you can select category, you can get, add the location, or you can add the address, all the details for any business listing, and click on send. Automatically this business listing will be added inside Google. Okay. Now I've already demonstrated how to add a web, business, to Google, and this is another option where you can add any business of your choice into Google My Business. So all you need to do is search for any business, search for any business nearby, search for any business that is nearby your location. Okay, that's basic one. Search for any business nearby and explore and look for the option to add missing business. Right now, click on it and fill or complete the required detail. Okay, complete the required details in the form. The listing will be created. The listing will be created. Okay, anybody can create a local business listing. Okay, anybody can create a local business listing. Now, the listings that are created using add a missing place. Okay, the listing created using the option to add a missing place.